Benefits of lime for your body's health. Compared to other types of oranges, lime is the type of orange that is the richest in vitamin C. Not only vitamin C, lime also contains vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, carbohydrates, fiber, fat, protein, calcium, folic acid, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, zinc, and sugar. Remember to include the citric acid, which gives it a sour flavor. Let's see the benefits of lime. Lime can boost your immune system. Lime is very good for preventing cancer. Lime can help to reduce high blood pressure. Lime can help you to treat gout. Lime can aid with cholesterol reduction. Lime can be beneficial to the kidneys. Lime can help you lose weight. Lime can treat toothache and swollen gums. Lime can help whiten your teeth. Lime can relieve sore throat. Lime can be used to eliminate odor from the body or armpits. TINEA versicolor can be treated with lime. For reduced cholesterol, the method: cut 1 lime and squeeze the juice. Add 1 cup of warm water. Drink in the morning when you wake up and at night before going to bed. Do it regularly so that bad cholesterol levels in your body are immediately reduced. Remove TINEA versicolor. The method: 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of finely ground sulfur. Mix them together until become creamy. Apply it on TINEA versicolor. Leave it until it dries. Then clean it with warm water. Relieve sore throat. The method: cut of 1 lime and squeeze the juice. Add 3 tablespoons honey. Drink 2 times a day. Once drink 2 tablespoons. Teeth whitening. The method: squeeze of 1 lime. Put in a glass of warm water. Use it to rinse your mouth 3 times a day so that bacteria are completely gone. Or, prepare 1 tablespoon of lime juice, a pinch of salt. Mix until it forms a paste. Apply it on your teeth. To lose weight, the method: prepare a tea bag or 3 teaspoons of tea, cut of 1 lime, a glass of hot water. Brew the tea and mix the lime juice into it. Consume regularly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.